Hello everyone, today's tutorial is about how I did retouch this image, and this image was taken by Encourage Photography, and I'm going to put his link down in the description so you guys can check him out on his Instagram. He's an amazing photographer, so you guys should check him out. The link is going to be in the description of this video. So let me show you guys how I'm going to color grade this image. And this video today, this tutorial is about how I do color grade my light skinned models in Photoshop. So let me first show you guys what I went through when I was retouching this image. So this is like a retouching overview for this image. So let me turn this off so I show you guys what I did. So for this image I did frequency separation, and I used the mixer brush tool. Then I also used the lasso tool method to edit this image. So after that, you can see this is how my image turned out to be. And I also removed my blemishes after applying my frequency separation. So after that, I did global dodging and burning to bring back the shape, and I did it to contour this portrait because frequency separation had initially flattened my image. So I had to do global dodging and burning. So I'll be putting the links up for you guys to check out how I really do my global dodging and burning. The link is going to appear right above. So I also did makeup enhancements. You can see the eyebrows and the eyelashes plus the lips. You can see the difference right there. So after this, I created a stamp visible layer on top of mine to match everything I'd done. So I went to camera raw and I did eye and teeth whitening. You can see the eyes right here. So I had to whiten them. So after this, we are now going to color grade this image together. So you guys stay tuned and see how I do color grade my light skinned models. So I'm going to be using Selective Color, and I may use gradient maps and also use the color balance. And yeah, this image already looks amazing, so let's try to see what we can do to make it better. So we are going to come right down, get our Selective Color. So we are going to add cyans. Make sure you're on the red channel. We are going to add cyans to the reds, and you are going to come right to add the yellow, and you are going to add yellows to this image. You can see now the image looks nice and it is popping. So we are going to come to the blacks in the red channel, and we are going to pull them up a little bit to around 2. So when we are done with that, we are going to come to our yellow channel right here, and we are going to add a little bit of magentas to the yellow. I think we are going to go in for 2 for the magentas, and I feel the yellow is too much for this image, so I'm going to turn down the yellows to around negative 3 is going to work for me. So I think we are done with our Selective Color. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to come right down to our color balance right here, and I'm going to play around with these sliders. So remember, now we are on our midtones, so we are going to add a little bit of cyans to our midtones, and we are going to add a little bit of yellows to our midtones because we want to get warm tones. So we are going to come right down to the shadows, and we are going to add a little bit of greens to our shadows right now. So I'm going to leave put greens at 1. So we are going now to come to our blue channel, yeah, in the shadows, and we are going to add a little bit of blues. So let me see, we are going to leave it at 2. I think we are done with this. So right now we are going to come to our gradient maps right here, and we are going to warm the image a little bit. So when you click on the gradient maps, this is the initial or default you'll get. So just click right on this color icon and to bring out these little different color presets right here. So look for what is close to the skin tones. Yeah, look for a color that is close to the skin tones. And if at all you don't have all these in your gradient maps, just click on this gear like icon, select photographic toning, and yeah, you click append, you get all this. So I'm going to go in for, let me see, this is close to skin tones as you can see, and I'm going to click OK. I'm going to come to the blending options right here, and I'm going to look for multiply. As you can see, the image is too warm, so what we are going to do, we are going to close this right here, and we are going to reduce on the opacity of our effect. I think this is fine for this image. So I'm going to group all we have done for the color grading. Just come, shift, and click on the lowermost layer, Ctrl G to group, and we are going to name our layer color grading. So you can see the image before and after. Before, after, you can see those beautiful warm skin tones in the image. So this is how I do color grade my light skinned models or light skinned portraits. So let's do a quick overview for the image. This is the image after frequency separation. So I also did the global dodging and burning. Then I did makeup enhancements. You can see this. Then I came right down here. I created the stamp visible layer and I did the eye whitening. You can see this. Then I also came and did the color grading of this image. You can see the before and the after. So this tutorial today has been about how I do color grade my light skinned portraits or my light skin model in Photoshop. And if at all you love this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section. And if at all you're watching this tutorial from this channel for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the notifications bell when you do subscribe to this channel, and I'll keep on dropping more and more educative content on this channel. And this image was taken by Encourage Photography and it was part of his challenge number 5, yeah, for his retouching. And yeah, I'm Ronix from Ronix Photography. Thank you for watching. See you in yet another retouching tutorial on this channel. Thank you and stay safe.